Welcome, everyone. It's Victor Vanico Johnson along with my good friend Scott Klein for our second video. What's up, Scott?
Hey, how are you? I appreciate you having me back again. Our first video got over 1,700 views, so we're back to share some valuable information with our community.
Absolutely, man. That's some pretty good numbers right there. So what kind of value can we bring to the community today?
So in our last video, we talked about turning New Year's resolutions into commitments.
Yep, we did. And we also talked about the importance of visualization, like seeing that thing before you do it.
Absolutely. And in this video, let's talk a little bit about mindset, just like you do on your Mindset Monday pieces.
I like that.
Absolutely. So when we boil it all down, our internal dialogue has to be in sync with the goal that we want.
Mm-hmm. This is true. So what should listeners try to do about their mindset?
Well, you hit upon the key word, which is try. So just as an example, when a new cell phone comes out, people get very excited and they say, I will get the new iPhone, for example.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I've seen all kinds of people. They make plans to go get the phone. They stand in the lines late at night, 2-3 days at a time. They're buying online, camping out literally in front of the stores that are selling those new iPhones.
Exactly. But what happens when that person says, I'll try to exercise or I should exercise?
You mean they're not camping out in front of the gym, waiting for it to open?
That is correct. So we have to really adjust our mindset by changing our internal dialogue.
Yeah, I've noticed that too, especially working with clients. We react differently when we say, I'll try or I should. Either of those are, ourselves or to other person, like either whether we're saying it to ourselves or we're saying it to somebody else. So what I think a couple of adjustments should be made for the audience so they can start doing this today.
Yeah, I would definitely agree. I think it's subtle changes to words and to the internal dialogue. So I would recommend changing I'll try to I will and I should to I can. And what you'll see are results because the mind acts differently depending upon what you say out loud or to yourself in that kind of internal dialogue.
Absolutely, Scott. That is great, great advice. I do want to add that, it's almost like the mind, especially the subconscious mind, doesn't know the difference between, you pretending that you've already done that thing or you actually doing that thing. So it's fabulous, fabulous advice. You got to just say it, claim it, do it, and not try to do it or I should do it. I'm going to do it. I will do it. Man, that's great, great stuff. So I think, folks, if you like this video, the videos that we're doing, please leave a comment, share your advice for the crowd out there that's looking to step into their next action item for 2021 and, see how it changes your internal dialogue for your own mindset.
Yes, indeed. And we'd like to wish our LinkedIn community a safe, happy, and healthy holiday season and a prosperous new year. And Victor, it is always a pleasure, my friend. We will see you in 2021.
Yes, sir, Scott. It's been a great one. Thank you so much for joining me on these videos, and we'll see you in 2021 as well.